What if the ultimate fuel for starships was antimatter? Antimatter engines promise to unleash energy 1,000,000 times greater than chemical rockets. When matter and antimatter collide, they annihilate, releasing pure energy. No waste, just raw power. But here's the catch. Antimatter is insanely hard to make and store. Just a few grams could launch a spacecraft to Mars in weeks, not months. Scientists are racing to solve containment challenges using magnetic traps. If we crack antimatter storage, humanity could reach other star systems. Would you board the first antimatter-powered ship?